Well, folks, today's project is going to be a quick one. We're going to install a rod holder on one of my kayaks out there. I'm going to install it on my kayak out there. I got two of them, but one's for me and one's for my wife. So this is it. They're pretty basic. The whole kit for two of them, 10 bucks. Can't complain about that. Comes with the hardware. Comes with a whole bunch of hardware and some things I don't think I need, but the only thing you really need is the rod holder and the 3 screws out of here. Now, the tools to do this job, let me put these back in here so I don't lose them. The tools to do this job is going to be a 2-inch hole saw. So we got this guy ready to go, an 1/8-inch drill bit, and a Phillips screwdriver, and I think that's it. I'm not going to put sealant on it. I'm not going to do anything like that because that'll just look awful over time. Not only that, this isn't a non-pressurized area. If there's water where this thing's going to be mounted and it's pressurized, I've got other problems. So anyway, that's the project for today. Let's take it out to the kayak, get it installed. Well, here we are headed out to the boat. The lake is still so low that the pontoon boat, it's not going out this year. At least I'm pretty sure it's not going to go out this year. This is the kayak trailer I built. Well, I didn't build the trailer. I built the frame on top of it to hold 2 kayaks and then a carrier in the middle that holds the paddles and life jackets and stuff like that. So let me get the rest of the tools and we'll get this rod holder installed. Okay, I did a Google search. And they said to install it behind you. Now the back is taken off because when I drive down the road it'll flap. So I'm going to install it right there. I added another tool to the mix to help clean up this hole, these edges here. Plastic is cutting really, really easy. Probably because it's setting in direct sunlight and it's nice and warm. Okay, I got that taken care of. Let's do a check fit. Now I went a little big on the hole simply because I know that this is going in at an angle and it'll sit like that. So I think we are good to go. Let me change bits and I will get the holes drilled for this. Okay, I've decided to have mine angling forward so I can keep an eye on the tip when it's up there. And I like to drill a hole, put a screw, drill a hole, put a screw. Or in my case, drop a screw. There we go. There we go. And I'll knock out these other 2 here. There you go. This is not a tough project. And there you go. I have a rod holder installed in my kayak. Total cost for this one, 5 bucks. I'll do the wife's, that'll be the other 5 bucks. It'll be 10 bucks for 2 rod holders installed on our kayaks. Thank you for watching.